In the 10th Battle of the Race Circuits, we have a battle between Gerard Clermont-Ferrand, who beat out Cadwell Park in the previous round, and the new contender that you voted for, Reims Go. So we have an internal French battle this time, or as I'm calling it, Battle of the Baguettes. For those who aren't familiar with the Battle of the Race Circuits format, the formula is simple. Every month we'll show you 2 epic race circuits which have something in common. You decide which one is best. The winner goes on to the next round for a battle against another iconic racetrack, but a circuit can only stay on for 3 rounds. The Clermont-Ferrand circuit was originally a street circuit around the extinct volcano in the Puy-de-Dôme region in France. The 8 kilometres or 5 mile long circuit opened in 1958 and contained a challenging mix of different corners and elevation changes. For that reason, it was nicknamed the French Nürburgring. Just like the real Nürburgring in Germany, Clermont-Ferrand was a very twisty and technical circuit. The circuit contained loads of really fast sections, but almost no straights. The old Clermont-Ferrand circuit hosted the Formula 1 French Grand Prix 4 times between 1965 and 1972. During the 1972 Grand Prix, today's Red Bull advisor Helmut Marko lost his left eye in a freak accident. Since the old Clermont-Ferrand circuit was found too dangerous, it lost its French Grand Prix licence and other international races. It was used for national races right the way up till 1988, and then the street circuit closed for motorsport. However, that wasn't the end of the story, as the General Council of Puy-de-Dôme recognised the interest of a circuit to the local economy. So, with their financial support, a new 3.97 kilometre or 2.47 mile long circuit was built instead. For the new circuit, they used a part of the old street circuit and built a new permanent connection onto it. The new circuit opened in 1989 as a semi-permanent track under the name Circuit de Gerard. Today, Circuit de Gerard is a fully permanent racetrack, with the new road bypassing the old street circuit section that became permanent at a later date, just like they did with Spa-Francorchamps in Belgium. The track is now mainly used for classic events and driving courses. The lost part is still there as a public road, but with a small abandoned section too. Although it lost part of its original layout, the new layout is actually still very challenging, with many different corners and elevation changes. The Reims Go circuit was a street circuit with a permanent pit lane, grandstands and other facilities, and that opened and was operational from 1926 through to 1972. Unlike the Clermont-Ferrand circuit, the layout of Reims Go was purely focused on speed. 2 dead straight sections through a rolling landscape collected with a hairpin on one side and a section with fast bends and curves on the other. Reims Go hosted the French Grand Prix 12 times from 1950 up to 1966. Next to Formula 1 races, it also hosted the famous annual 12 Hours of Reims. After the last French Grand Prix in 1966, the Reims Go circuit was used for national races and continued on with the 12 Hours of Reims, but the track became outdated and closed in June of 1972. The permanent buildings were left abandoned for the next few decades, and there are actually plans to demolish the whole lot for construction for new houses, but thankfully that never happened. Fortunately, the foundation Les Amis de Circuit de Go was founded to save the remains of the old Reims Go circuit. The foundation were able to get permission to restore the buildings back to their former glory, and guarantee that nothing more would be demolished. The restoration started work in 2004, and if you'd like to see more about that restoration, I thoroughly recommend watching the video about it on our YouTube channel. So, here we have 2 very different circuits. The main thing they have in common, really, is that they're both former Formula 1 circuits in France. So, who's going to win this Battle of the Baguettes then, eh? Now it's your turn to vote and decide their fate. Let us know down in the comments exactly which one is your favourite, and tell us why too. Will it be the twisty Gerard Clermont-Ferrand circuit, or will it be the fast and flowing Reims Go circuit? The choice is yours. Check out the social media tabs on the Circuits of the Past YouTube channel. In just over 2 weeks' time, we'll announce the winner and let you vote for the new challenger. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to click on that notification bell so that you don't miss the next episode from the Battle of the Race Circuit series, and our other videos from iconic racetracks from the past and occasionally from the present too. Take care.